Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a update for Google Chrome. We have a small update that is released. It just ups the number by 1, so it's not much. The blog post isn't very clear as to what it is, but it's not security, that's for sure. So if you go into your Google Chrome browser, you'll probably see that there is a little update if it hasn't been done already. So the old number was 108.0.5859.98. In my case, it moved up to 99. Depending on where you are, on a Mac or Linux, it's .98. On Windows, you could still be at 98 or 99. It's fine. It's one of those weird things where the number doesn't match necessarily. So it was released yesterday, December 7th. Like I said, no information really on the main blog post. When I go into the log, the Google log is kind of a little cryptic and tough to find out exactly what's happening. But clearly, they made a little adjustment or a little change, nothing really major. It could be a little bug fix that something wasn't right. So nothing, if it was working fine for you, it's not any urgency. No security updates, like I said, but we never know. Every time there's a Google Chrome update, I have a immediate tendency to go and see what's in there, because there's been so many 0 days and quick fixes for some security flaws that were really important that you don't take a chance, especially since it's the browser that everybody uses. I don't know if this is going to reflect upon the Edge or other Chromium-based browsers, or it's just Google Chrome that has this little minor update. But whatever, it's really nothing major, that's for sure. So check it out if you wish, and of course it updates automatically. A lot of people are asking me, well, you make these videos just because I like to explain, when possible, what's in there and what it fixes and so on. When we can, so that everybody knows. But in general, most people using Chrome, it updates automatically when you use it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.